Howdy folks, just gonna do another Tekton unboxing video. I guess the most important thing with this, or kind of interesting, nice thing, awesome thing, is that the main tool in this package was paid for with my rewards. So, yeah, I mean, their program's pretty nice. So anyways, let's get to it. So I should have a 3/8, just a torque wrench in here, and then a set of new, God, what was it? Like a new pick set or something like that. I can't even remember at this point what it was. But yeah. So sorry, I'll angle you up a little bit more here. Maybe. There we go. There we go. So mini pry bars. Yeah, I was thinking like they're kind of like the picks. Like I think they've got the same like handle design as these guys, but they're a mini pry bar set. So part number or item number, I should say, on those. It's right there. LRD90803 mini pry bar set. So seems like, I don't know, always are prying on shit with screwdrivers and those little picks. So what did I get on the bottom of here? Oh, nice. Had a nice spider there to leave this mark on my bench. Alright, so let's go ahead and just open up these and ignore the spider. Always packed nicely. Made in USA, as to be expected. And here we are. So yeah, that's kind of nice. I could see that being very handy. Now I know the camera's not wanting to focus very well on some of this, but yeah, that is nice. Why won't you? Oh, there you go. Nice focusing. Look at that. Look at the edge on that. Thing should be great for getting under stuff. So I mean, compared to a screwdriver, I think that's what they're advertising, right? Let's see, a flat here. What is this? A 1/4 inch Tekton screwdriver. So let's see. Anyways, not that the screwdriver matters, but what we're doing here is comparing the tips, right? Now, if this thing would ever want to focus in there again, that would be nice. But, wow, come on. You gotta be kidding me. Alright, might be time for some legit camera gear, because, you know, seeing detail with this stuff is silly. So, I apologize. But, overall, alright, I'm going to give up here in just a second, folks. So, don't. Wow, I'd just love for you to see that, but nope. Anyways, so definitely a much crisper edge on that little pry bar. Another pry bar with more of an angle, so there we can see the angle difference. And then it looks like pretty much the exact same thing, only smaller. So I mean, nice. I mean, nothing too crazy there. So let's move on to the torque wrench and we'll end this video. Alright, let's see here. Let's use one of these guys. Ooh, that's nice. Alright. 3/8, 20 to 100. Oh yeah, okay. I forgot that I went with the split beam style, but yeah, little conversion table in the case. Not that anybody probably needs that, but yep, so there you go. Overall, flex head, slight flex is very nice for anybody that's had one, knows what I'm talking about. A little bit of packing material, a little slight bit of packing grease, if you will, on this thing. But overall, should be a pretty nice little unit, hopefully. 40, lock it in, move on. Oh yeah, I forgot that this style does not have a reverse. Huh. Well, anyways, whatever. Not that I use it a lot. I mean, I have used it on the big boy, but I don't know. Hopefully I don't need it on the little 3/8 drive. So anyways, with that, I will end it there and just say initial impressions. Impressed. Got some more spiders on my box now. And yeah, I mean, the Tekton, that rewards program, is paying for itself. So I think so far with, you know, sometimes they give you, I think like Black Friday, it's like double rewards points and all that. So with all those purchases, I think I've probably racked up over the last couple of years around 200, maybe 250, somewhere, maybe $300 worth of rewards. So like I said, this was completely paid for with rewards, and then I was shy just a little bit to get these, so I pitched in like an extra $3-4 or whatever and got these guys. So yeah, now it wants to focus a little bit better, so maybe I can zoom in here a little bit better. But yeah, maybe that's my problem. I just need to have better background, so you can kind of see the edge difference and how much. Maybe. Ooh, there we go. Now if I can get them at the same angle. There we go. Look at that. So yeah, definitely a good little pry bar set. I could see this being real handy. And it'd be nice if they'd make a whole set of plastic. If Tekton would come out with some of these for those plastic retaining clip little pry bars, I would order some of those up in a heartbeat. There's lots of those little types of tools I think that Tekton could jump in on with this kind of little series handle and be pretty successful with. So anyways, made in the USA, made in the USA, made in Taiwan. So take it easy. Okay, I'm cutting back in here real quick. This case is not going to fit in my box. Pisses me off. It's too tall. So for example, well, here, I'll just show you. Here's my, what's this one? This is my Matco one. It's just a hair shorter, and this one fits in my drawer here. And then for example, here's my drawer that I keep these guys in, and does not fit. So yeah, disappointing. Yeah, I guess I will find and just toss it in one of my deep drawers the last little bit, but it stinks that I can't put it in there with the rest of my stuff. So yeah, I will end it with that.